Now that we've whirled arms, we're going to grasp a peacock's tail. Another really nice move. So our last whirling arms brings us back to here. Right hand is going to come to the top of the ball. Left hand pulls around, pulls the left foot towards the right. And you recognize this move from the very first move that we did at the beginning. Ball on a V-step. From ball on a V-step, we bring the heel out and we push the ball out to our left. Now, I can keep control of the ball up to about here, but if I keep going, because my arms are on different side of the body, obviously, I can't keep control of the ball anymore, and my left hand can go higher than my right hand. Once it gets to the point where my right fingertips are level with my left hand, that's where I go. So that's my first move. I'm not going to move the arms as much as I'm going to move the waist. So turn the waist to bring my hands to my right hip. Then make a T shape with the hands, so the hands are like that. I'm going to do that. Now, I've pulled back so the weight is in my right leg. I'm going to push off my right leg to bring me forwards. I'm going to wipe the back of the left hand with the right hand, separate the hands, push off the left leg to propel me backwards, come underneath something, so I'm leading with the heels of the hands. You can see that the weight's in this leg. I'm going to propel off that leg to come forwards again. So I start with the ball, step out, push away, rotate the waist, make the T shape, propel forwards, wipe and separate, propel backwards, come underneath and propel forwards again. From this angle, we've got the ball, step out, push away, fingertips to the palm of the hand, turn the waist, make the T shape, propel forwards, wipe the back of the hand and separate, propel backwards, come underneath, propel forwards. That's part one. Now, we're also going to turn and do it the other way. So this is where we finish here. You've got like a little screen in between your hands. You're going to look through that. So if you come up on the left heel, turn your hands. Your body is a very clever thing. So because you're coming up on the heel and you're turning your waist, that foot will automatically turn because it's protecting itself. If you had that foot flat and you were turning, you would feel the knee start to pull. Now, your body would alert you to that, in that it would say, this is a bit painful, but it wouldn't stop you from doing something stupid. But if you come back on the heel and you turn, your body's like, yeah, I can deal with this, I'll just turn the foot. So, looking through this little screen, up on the heel, turn as far as you can. So that foot is now going to be more or less straight, and then just turn the waist a bit more, so you've done a complete 180. The left hand can just pull backwards, that's going to be the top of the ball. And then the right hand will transfer the weight, as you pull down, transfer the weight into your left leg, pull down, pull the left foot, pull the right foot towards the left, and you're now holding the ball, and you've done a 180. From there, step out on the heel, transfer and push, pull down to the left hip this time, make the T shape, propel forwards, wipe the back of the hand and separate, propel backwards, present the heels, and propel forwards again. Again, remember, that's too far backwards. Sink into the legs, nice bent arms, relax. And again, you're looking through the hands. Let's see if I can do it. It's difficult to do it in different angles, just so you know. So there, out, down, forward, backwards, forwards, turn. Another move done.